What's up, everybody? We're going to be making a floating shelf today for a customer. It's going to go in their laundry room and have a clothes rack hanging underneath it. So let's check it out. Alright, so right here I'm just using my Wixey digital angle gauge to set the table saw back to 90 degrees. I had previously cut some miter, so just had to get that back square to cut my pieces to size. Right now I'm ripping the plywood into the strips I need for the top, bottom, front, sides. The easiest way for me is just back my truck up, pull it right out of the truck onto the table saw. Check out this floating shelf. Got it finished out. I think it turned out pretty slick. Let me know what you think. Alright, here is the finished shelf. It's a 3/4 inch birch ply with special walnut stain, a few coats of lacquer finish, and I have the clothes rod on bottom there. Let me know what you think.